Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download blockchain on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's begin. In order to download blockchain on your Android device, go tap open your Play Store. Go to the search box and type in blockchain and search. Once you find the application, tap on the install button to start the download process. Blockchain is a growing list of records called blocks that are linked together using the cryptography, and each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, timestamp, and transactions data. After the application downloads, tap on the open button to open up the application on your smartphone. You can log into your account if you already have one, or simply tap on create a wallet in order to create an account. That is how you can easily download blockchain on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.